Wine, for me, at Blaauwklippen, that is the heartbeat. That's the lifeline of Blaauwklippen. Everything flows from that wine, whether it's an event, whether you're sitting with family, whether you are staying in the accommodation. Everywhere, that's that golden thread, pulling it through and pulling everything together on the estate.
I think some of the best South African red wines and Cabernet Sauvignons and Bordeaux style blend are coming from this area, and it's literally this soil, especially these slopes of the Helderberg, it really gives you great Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, Malbec, and also on the white cultivar side, Chardonnay. So it's just literally these cultivars really do well here.
Serious wines are being made from the property, can be made from the property, and that this specific wine had managed to stand out in a lineup of 100 or more international Malbec wines. I mean, that's a great honor.